This week, Yeshua teaches us how our chosen adventure from the androgynous comfort and unity of the primordial ocean down a path that led us through multiple layers of separation, isolation, duality, heavy distortion, and disconnection, yet that leads us back, full circle, to heart-based unity consciousness to a degree that would never have been possible had we not made our journey away from everything that we inherently represent in the first place. But as ever, we have the choice to remain in duality and fear if that suits where we are in our own personal grand adventure. In the end, we all end up in the same place, which could be defined as a world of unspeakable beauty. But as we are each unique pieces of this cosmic puzzle, the path we choose to get there will differ, and that is as it should be. We also get to understand a little more of the true Jesus away from the distorted religious biblical version, which for large parts was created for power and control rather than the personal empowerment that the teachings were intended to represent. Also this week, Alan Watts' wisdom helps us to build a new perspective away from the programming and conditioning of the false matrix, an opportunity to shed the artificial seriousness of life that we're encouraged into in favour of living life lightly, learning to dance rather than to march. And of course, all this wisdom is encapsulated in another wonderful Jolie Gabrielle guided meditation to help us embody the uncovered wisdom to take us forward into joy and the knowledge we can choose that higher path by dancing our way out of the ego and into our true power. We invite you to join us for this week's premiere at 4 p.m. UK, 11 a.m. Eastern and 8 a.m. Pacific, or any time thereafter, to see if this all resonates as truth or deluded nonsense for you.